Aloha, this is a quick tutorial about how to make appointments with Paepae ʻŌhua, peer mentors, and tutors using StarBalance. There are a few different ways to log into StarBalance. Open Star and click on the talk bubble in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. On the pop-out screen, you will see helpful videos. You can go ahead and click on Schedule an Appointment and click Schedule Appointment to proceed. You can also open GPS registration on Star and click on Schedule Advisor Appointment, and it takes you directly to StarBalance. You can also access StarBalance from Paepae ʻŌhua Google webpage. The webpage can be found with this URL. Once you are on the webpage, scroll down and click on Peer Tutoring and Mentoring. On the next page, select this link if your home campus is Hawaii Community College, and it takes you directly to StarBalance. If your home campus is not Hawaii Community College and taking a Hawaiian language and Hawaiian studies course at Hawaii Community College, click on this link. Then log in as a UH student.
After logging into StarBalance, select Tutoring, Tech, and Learning Center, and select Hawaiian Paepae ʻŌhua Tutoring/Mentors. When you click on the down arrow filter, it shows you mentoring, navigating UH system platforms, sewing and/or printing, and the classes you have taken so far. Sewing and/or printing option is mostly for the students who are required to make their kihei or pa'u for their Hawaiian language and/or Hawaiian studies classes. Then you can click on the class you need assistance with. When you select a course, you will see the peer mentors that are available to assist you. You can also uncheck some tutors if you are looking for assistance from a specific mentor or tutor. The available tutors for each class may vary depending on their tutor proficiency. Now the calendar and the availability of the selected mentor appears on the screen. You can scroll through the dates by clicking on the arrows at the top of the page. To make an appointment, select the slot that fits into your schedule. Please note that the appointments need to be booked at least 6 hours in advance. This popped-up screen is where you are going to book an appointment. These are the suggested duration of appointments. You can continue to scroll down to make sure that you have selected the correct course. Then select the appointment type, either in person or online. Now you can choose how long you'd like the appointment to be. As a final step, it is required to leave a message in the text box about what you need help with through the appointment. For example, you can write, "Need help with assignment." After completing all of these steps, you can click Submit. And you'll get an email through your hawaii.edu address and a text if your phone number is on record. In order to cancel an appointment, you will have to log into StarBalance and click on your appointment. On the popped-up screen, click on the 3 dots and select Cancel Appointment. On the next page, you will have to leave comments about why you need to cancel your appointment. And click Cancel Appointment. And yes, if the appointment was successfully canceled, you will get a confirmation email through your UH email address. Please be sure to cancel your appointments via Star Balance because appointments cannot be deleted in Google Calendar or via email.